Cuboidal epithelium is seen in active follicles. They're seen in the active follicles, whereas the columnar ones are associated with the dormant follicles. They are associated with the dormant follicles. That means they'll not be able to secrete T3 and T4. As simple as that. Okay? So this is the basic objective behind the follicular orientation. So we learned how the thyroid gland is developed, and once it develops, how does it look and what are its parts in general. And then we spoke about how the follicles are going to be considered as the active as well as dormant. Okay? Absolutely good, guys. Okay? Now, let's talk about the extent of the thyroid gland, a little bit more onto this orientation. Now, let's say this happens to be the isthmus of the thyroid gland, this happens to be the right lobe of the thyroid gland, and this happens to be the left lobe of the thyroid gland, right? Now, you will see the thyroid gland will be arranged in a fashion that it is going to be lying on the trachea as well. So basically, you will notice that the tracheal rings will be present. The isthmus will be synonymously placed. Now, the isthmus will be synonymously placed across here. So there's a trachea that is present. Now, if I start from the top, obviously you have the hyoid bone that is going to be here. After the hyoid bone, we have the thyroid cartilage. You have the thyroid cartilage. After the thyroid cartilage, you have the cricoid cartilage that is present, right? So between these, you see the hyothyroid membrane is there. You have the thyrocricoid membrane is there. And then you have the rest of the trachea continues across here. So this is the trachea that is there, right? So this is the cricoid cartilage that we're talking about. So these are the tracheal rings that are formed. From here onwards, you see the tracheal rings are present, right? So just to get the orientation right, this happens to be the hyoid bone. This is the thyroid cartilage, and this happens to be the cricoid cartilage, and then you have the trachea, and it is placed right across there, right?